In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the price for a product variant in Wix. If you're running an online store on Wix and need to tweak the prices of different variants of your products, you're in the right place. We'll go through this process step by step to ensure you can confidently manage your inventory and pricing strategy. First, we begin by heading over to your Wix website. It's important to be logged in with your credentials to access the necessary editing tools. Once you're logged in and your site is open, the next thing you'll want to do is click on Pages and Menu. It's usually located on the left-hand side toolbar within the Wix editor. This section allows you to navigate through your website's pages. Next, locate Store Pages from the list. This is where you'll find all the elements related to your online store, including product listings and management options. Click on Store Pages and then navigate to the Product page. This is an essential step as it directs you to the section where you can manage your specific products. Once on the product page, you'll see a Settings option usually represented by a gear icon. It's crucial to click on this as it's the gateway to your store's backend options. When you click on Settings, look for the Manage Products button. This is typically found in the drop-down or sidebar menu under Settings. By clicking on Manage Products, you'll be directed to a list of all products you currently have listed in your store. Now you will see a list of all your products. Next to each product, there should be 3 vertical dots, often referred to as the More Options menu. Click on these 3 dots next to the product for which you'd like to adjust the variant price. This will bring up several options related to that product. From the menu that appears, select Edit Product. This will bring you to a new screen dedicated to the product details. In this section, scroll down until you find the Pricing area. Under the Pricing label, look for a section marked Price. This is where you'll actually adjust the price for your product variant. Enter the new price in the designated field for the variant you wish to update. Ensure that you double-check any changes you make to avoid pricing errors. Once you've entered the correct price, don't forget to save your changes before exiting. There should be a Save button visible in the editing interface, and there you have it, a complete guide to adjusting the price for a product variant in Wix. It's a relatively straightforward process once you know where to go and what to look for. With these steps, you can effectively manage your store's pricing strategy, ensuring each variant reflects the value you need. Thanks for watching and happy selling on Wix.